How to add your interest in Amazon shopping. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add your interest. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom you can see the account icon. Simply tap on the account icon. Now on the top you can see the account. Simply tap on it. Again, double tap on this profile. So here we are in this account settings. Now here you'll be able to see interest. Simply tap on interest, and here you can select the interest that you want to add into. So here are some categories that you can select. So simply select the ones that you want in your shopping list. So here I'm tapping on this, and at last simply tap on save. So as you can see, the interest has been saved. Now if you go back, it's all set. Now all the interest according to what you have selected will pop up in your interface and homepage too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.